Automotive windshields are not made from ordinary glass. They normally consist of two layers of glass bonded together by a strong PVB interlayer. This laminated structure improves vehicle safety, but it also makes end-of-life windshield recycling much more difficult. Simply crushing the windshield is not enough. The real challenge is separating the glass from the PVB film, reducing glass residue on the recovered film, and producing clean glass cullet that can be reused in downstream applications. This complete automotive windshield recycling line is designed to handle these challenges through three main processing systems: pre-press crushing, PVB and glass separation, and glass color sorting. Waste windshields are loaded into the pre-press crushing machine. Before the main separation process, the laminated glass is compressed and broken into smaller sections. The pre-pressing process helps destroy the original structure of the windshield and creates cracks throughout the glass layers. At the same time, the PVB film remains connected inside the material. After pre-crushing, the material is transported into the PVB-glass separation machine. Inside the separator, the windshield material is continuously impacted, squeezed, and rubbed. The broken glass particles are gradually detached from the surface of the PVB interlayer. The machine is designed to separate the brittle glass from the flexible PVB film without completely grinding the film into small pieces. As the material moves through the system, most of the glass falls through the screening section, while the larger PVB film is discharged separately. The separated glass is collected as glass cullet. However, automotive windshields may contain black ceramic edges, tinted glass, and other impurities. For applications requiring more consistent glass quality, the glass cullet can be processed by an optical color sorting system. The material is evenly fed into the color sorter. High-speed cameras and optical sensors identify differences in color and appearance as the glass particles pass through the detection area. Compressed air nozzles then remove selected dark-colored glass, ceramic-coated fragments, and other visible impurities from the main glass stream. This sorting process improves the consistency of the recovered glass and increases its potential value for glass fiber, foam glass, construction materials, glass beads, and other recycled glass products. The final products mainly include recovered PVB film, clean glass cullet, and separated dark-colored glass or impurities. The actual recovery performance depends on the type of windshield, contamination level, required output quality, and equipment configuration. The production line can therefore be customized according to the customer's raw material, capacity, and final product requirements. For automotive glass manufacturers, windshield replacement companies, vehicle dismantling centers, and professional waste recyclers, this line provides a practical solution for turning difficult laminated glass waste into reusable materials.